Hey guys, Nicolai Abano here from Build with Nick, and I'm so excited to show you the after renovation of my investment property here in Camilo. Without further ado, let's go to my investment property. A bit of a background again. This is a 3 by 1 by 1. We have 3 bedroom, 1 bathroom, and we have a carport outside. We can actually fit 3 cars inside of this carport. We have a single driveway, and this is the house. It was built in 1978, and the total land area is 500 square meters. The total house area is roughly 85 square meters. So let's go inside. So as you can see, we have a single driveway over here. We have a good front yard with a lot of plants and small trees, and we have a porch area. Alright, so let's go inside. Alright guys, let's go inside. I'm so excited to show to you. We have a new fully renovated house. As you can see, we have replaced almost everything in this house. We have a new flooring, new painting, new skirting, new lights, as well as new blinds on our window. But before that, so previously, the whole house is fully carpeted. We installed a vinyl plank. We put white painting all over the house, new skirting, which is a wood skirting, and new light as well. How good is that? I mean, like for me, I can't imagine how different it is from the previous, carpeted and a bit messy house. So I'm quite proud with the outcome of this house. I'm going to show you the new blinds, which is this one. So we have this kind of blinds, which you can really change. See? It's very functional. Of course, we fixed all of the electrical wiring, and I remember this one was there was a carpet on this window before. We painted the doors. It's quite new, and yeah, similar with the size. We didn't change any structural layout of the house. So I'm assuming the common area, which is the living area, this is approximately 4 by 3. Alright, so let's go to the master bedroom. And this is the master bedroom. I'm gonna show you the previous video of the master bedroom. And look at that. How good is that? We have a newly carpeted for the flooring, and we have white walls, and we changed the light as well. Of course, we have new blinds, and it's quite amazing. How good is that? And this is approximately, I would say, 3 by 3.5. This is the master bedroom. Let's go to the other bedroom. Alright, this is the bedroom number 2. It's quite different from the previous bedroom number 2. This is a lot more natural light. We removed all of the shears previously. We installed a new blinds, we put new flooring, new light, and painted the wall nicely. So it's very nice room, the same size as before. I would say 3 by 3. As an investor, I'm planning to put I would say cabinet, from IKEA or from Bali. That is quite easy. Alright, that's it for the bedroom number 2. So we're gonna go to the bedroom number 3 and the kitchen. You're gonna ask me how much is the renovation cost. It is roughly around 33,000. It includes all of the renovation from inside and out of the house. And I talked to a few other property agent and other buyer's agent, and they told me it's quite in a good price to renovate a house at this stage here. In terms of the cost of this, the supply and the labor here in WA. Alright, so let's go to the kitchen. I'm going to show you the kitchen first. And look at this. It's new. We removed the kitchen previously and installed a new kitchen. remember before, this one was here. We remove that one and we put the oven over here. This is a Westinghouse oven. We have oven over here, or actually oven, and we have a stove, and we have the range hood. So this is electrical stove. Before this house, it doesn't have gas, but it has electric. Of course, we have a lot of cupboards all the way in this kitchen. That is nicely done. And we have a good bench top, a lot more cupboards, and you can really put a lot of stuff in this kitchen. We have a single sink, more cupboards, and more outlets over here. And of course, we're gonna put the fridge on this spot. I mean, if I'm gonna look back my previous video before renovation of this property, the kitchen was messy. It wasn't that good, but looking at this now, I'm really proud with my renovation team on how they transformed the kitchen, and they picked a good color for this kitchen that really complements well with the violent lamp, which we have a white and gray. That is nicely done. And I reckon, like, you know, if you're moving to a new house, and many people normally, I would say, go to the kitchen area. So this is the kitchen, and we have the dining area over here. So you can easily put, I would say, a dining table with 6 chairs, like two, and then one over here and one over here. So it can totally fit. Alright, let's go to the bedroom number 3. So bedroom number 3, similar with bedroom number 2. They have the same size, and we put new blinds, new flooring, new painting and everything. Nicely done. Alright, that is for bedroom number 1, 2, and 3. Alright, so before we go ahead to the laundry and our toilet for this house, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, comment below if you want to see any other videos about property, about finance, about investing. I am more than happy to answer all of your questions as well, and please don't forget to share this video. Alright, let's go to our newly bathroom, sorry. So we have a new sink, we have a new toilet, and of course we have the shower over here. As you can see, we didn't change the tiling of this or the flooring of the kitchen because we believe that it's still working. You know, in terms of renovation, remember, you don't have to renovate all of the items in the house. You just need to renovate the things that are really need to be changed, because with investment, you don't put all of your money, and you don't invest your emotion. So for me, we believe the tiling is still working, and of course, in the near future, we might need to change the tiling. But as of now, we have a good sink with cabinet below, we have a small mirror, we have a toilet, and we have a shower, and that can work. Alright, and of course, we have a shower toilet rack. Alright, so this is our new laundry. We have, of course, we're gonna put the fridge over here. We installed we put a washing machine, and we have a new sink, and of course a cabinet underneath, and we painted the doors as well. Alright, so let's go outside. Alright guys, we are outside of the house. As you might remember, this house or this property alone, it is 500 square meters, and the house area is 85 square meters. So imagine that we have a lot of space outside the house, which means we have a huge alfresco and backyard over there. So alfresco alone, it is we have a roof on our alfresco, approximately 4 meters by 7. 4 meters by 7, good amount of space, and of course we have a good spacious backyard. Alright, so as you can see, it's a very spacious backyard. my end goal for this backyard is we're gonna remove all of the trees, all of the creepers to make it um, much more organized. So our goal is to remove all of these. Alright guys, yeah, this is our backyard. We have a shed where the tenant can put their stuff inside. Good amount of space. You know, you can have your kids play along this backyard. We have a place, I'm not sure what this one is called, but yeah, we have a place where we can hang our clothes and everything. And of course, we have a spacious, massive space for our garage or cars. I believe we can put at least 3 sedan cars or 2 large SUV. So yeah, we have good space for gardening, do other things at the back, and of course we have our garage door. With our garage door, I still need to install automatic garage doors, so I'm currently contacting tradies to replace my garage door. So we're gonna put automatic sectional garage door for this one. That's it for our backyard of this house, and I hope you guys like this after renovation. Before we finish, let's go inside to wrap up everything. Alright guys, that's it for our first renovation, first investment property here in Western Australia. I hope you guys learned something new about how to renovate a property or flip a property in our previous videos and in our current videos. A bit of a recap: this house is located in Camino. I bought this property under market value, which means we bought this one around 190,000. The renovation cost is around 33,000. It was built in 1980s or 1978, I do believe. It is a 3x1. We have 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and 1 carport. But with the carport, you can actually go all along the driveway and fit another car if you like. And then the land area is 500 square meters, and the house area is 85 square meters. It took us around 3 to 6 weeks to actually 6 weeks to renovate the house, and this is the aftermath, which is nicely done. And remember, when you're buying investment property, the 3 most important things is the first one, a good potential growth, which means that investment property needs to have a long-term growth, and the second one is good rental yield. If you're gonna calculate the rental yield, it needs to be a bit more, 5% or 6%. At the same time, the last one, the most important thing when you're buying investment property here in WA is the location. This is quite different when you buy an investment property in Melbourne or Sydney in the East Coast. In Western Australia, it really depends on the suburb. Some suburb they go up, some suburb they go down. So location is one of your key important thing when you're buying investment property here in Western Australia. Alright, I hope you guys learned something new. If you like this video, smash that like button, share this video with your family and friends who are planning to buy investment property or want to learn about investment property here in Western Australia. And comment below if you have any suggestion for our next video, if you want to ask questions about investment property, or if you want to add more things in this video. At the same time, subscribe to our channel. Alright guys, thank you so much for staying along in this long video. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in our next video.